Welcome everyone. Today you're going to learn how to get more followers on Pinterest. As you can see, using the techniques I'm about to show you, I gained 9,457 followers from the time of shooting this video. I also gain hundreds of thousands impressions every month. So, without further ado, let's show you how to get the same result. Also stick around at the end, because I will be creating a Pinterest account for the Visual Show YouTube channel, and I'll implement these strategies. Let's kick things up with step number 1, repins. Repins are when you save someone else's pins to your boards. When repinning, I don't mean to go to your feed and repin the first 10 pins that you see. You need to repin pins that are related to your brand, and should only repin high quality pins. If someone sees something interesting in your profile, they may click on it. At the same time, if you really catch their attentions with interesting repins and your pins, who knows? Oh, and if you are enjoying this video, a sub to the channel would be miraculous. They may decide to follow you. For example, I have a Pinterest account that is about arts and crafts, and let's say I see this pin, and I also see that the engagements for that pin is very good. I could repin it so I can also get more impressions and followers and engagement. Also, you don't want to be only sharing pins from other Pinterest accounts. You also need to post some of your own. Number 2, follow other Pinterest accounts. By following other Pinterest accounts, the person you follow will receive a notification telling them that you followed them. Most people after seeing that may follow you back. But don't follow any random person. You need to follow people that would actually be interested in niche, or interested in what you post. For example, if your Pinterest account is about crafts, you need to find people that are interested in arts and crafts, then follow them. I'll explain how to find them in a minute, but before that, I wanted to let you know, don't try following popular accounts like Walmart, Amazon, and Samsung, or any other very popular accounts. The chance of one of these accounts following you back is like 0.1%. Because they receive so many notifications of people following them, and they don't usually follow back. Now, how do you find someone that is interested in your niche? Well, you need to type your targeted keyword in Pinterest search, and sort it by profiles, then pick a popular account with many followers, then check their followers by clicking on followers, then they will show you a list of people that followed that specific account. All the people you see in that list are interested in your topic. For example, I'm looking for people that are interested in arts and crafts. I would search up arts and crafts, then sort it by profiles. Now I could pick a profile like Hobby Lobby, or Michael's Stores. Then I check their followers, and follow the people that are following Michael's. Now you should only follow 10 to 30 people a day, to avoid getting your account banned. Number 3, include your keywords in your profile name, bio, and boards. When creating a Pinterest business account, you also need to include your main keywords in your profile name, and from my experience it's best to put them before your company's name. For example, my target keyword is arts and crafts, so my profile name is arts and crafts with a separator. Then I put my company Callan Crafts. I also included my keyword in my bio. It starts with arts and crafts. Then after the separator, it says, "Let our inspiration ignite your imagination." I also made sure that Pinterest recognized my keyword even in my username or slug. For example, my username is Callan_crafts. As you can see, I made sure to include my target keyword, crafts, even in my username. So the URL is pinterest.com/Callan_crafts. I also made sure to include my target keyword in my boards. For example, my target keyword is Christmas crafts, so I made sure to just name my board Christmas crafts. Last but not least, post consistently. Don't forget to post consistently, because if your followers expect you to be posting daily, they will always be coming back to your profile to see what they've missed. So always keep that in mind. Let's do a montage of me creating my Pinterest account. Then we'll end the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.